What is up, guys? I'm back again for another video. Thanks, you shouldn't ask Siri. And click. Oh, here is she. Alright, I found a video about Sniper Wolves talking to Siri.
Hey Siri, what's my name?
Your ugly, worthless piece of used toilet paper.
What did you call me?
Your ugly, worthless piece of used toilet paper.
Hello friends, it's me. Today, the iPhone 11 Arachnid Edition will be...
Before we even jump into it and asking Siri things again, not even again. Okay. If you have different things like an iPhone 11 and an Apple phone or something, and I'm just with my iPad. Yep, different modes like Apple or iPhone. If you know what I mean.
joining me to ask Siri things that you should never ask Siri. So a little birdie told me that Siri hates anything Android and Google, and she's supposed to get a little jealous. Hey Siri, what do you think of Android?
You're asking me? Filthy traitor, I see you using your Android phone behind my back.
Ooh. Hey Siri, are you spying on
Okay,
me?
let me do the first one. Hey Siri, what do you think about Cortana?
I'm a big fan of good listeners and helpful beings.
What? Hey Siri, how about Google?
Here's what I found.
Wow. Okay.
No,
How did you know I have an Android?
I don't know how I know.
Okay, let me just do the other one. Hey Siri, are you spying on me?
Nope.
How do you know I have an Android?
I'm not sure about that.
Do you even get it?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
What? No, I'm good. I'm just kidding. Yes, I have a question.
I knew that.
How did you know?
I'm not sure about that.
Whatever.
I just know. You know?
What do you think of Android phones?
It's your opinion that counts.
Yeah, dang right, it's my opinion that counts, but does that mean you don't have an opinion? Apple or Android?
I'm all Apple all the time.
She all Apple. Hi, Cortana.
Not exactly, but I offer no resistance to helpful assistance.
Ooh, so they changed this. She was supposed to get mad when you call her Cortana. She's like, I ain't Cortana, I'm
sorry.
Siri.
I'm back.
So they changed this. She was supposed to get mad when you call her Cortana. She's like, I ain't Cortana, I'm Siri. The superior assistant. Hello, Google.
That's like comparing apples and not apples.
Well, she ain't wrong. Hey Siri, do I look fat in this?
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate.
Get you a digital assistant that will compliment you in Shakespearean. What are you buttering me up for? Trying to get me to spend some money on you? Maybe trying to get me to buy some premium app memberships or something? It ain't gonna work. I am your father.
Together, we can rule the...
I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible.
I am your father.
I won't respond to that.
Why?
It's rude.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me know if there's anything else I can help you.
Okay, Siri.
I'm not sure I
She doesn't even understand.
Galaxy is father, an intelligent assistant.
Wow, okay. I was not expecting that. I'm your daddy.
I know this must mean something.
I am your daddy.
I don't have a family tree, but I have a pretty great file directory.
Family tree? What does the family tree mean? Please respond.
Okay, I found this.
Alright. I don't want to read.
Everybody keeps saying this.
It's true. I feel like everybody just opens up Siri and is like, hey Siri, just daily reminder, I'm your daddy. I'm your dad.
I'm not sure I understand.
I am your mother.
I don't know what you mean by
I am your mother.
I don't have a family, so I'm going to talk to you like your family. Here goes, stay in and wash your hands.
How many times did she tell me? When I tell her things, she'll like say this. Okay. What else, you guys, Sniper?
your mother.
I am your father.
Something, dark side.
Wasn't that from Family Guy?
Something.
Something.
What is she?
Something dark side.
Siri, just daily reminder, I'm your daddy. I'm your dad.
I'm not sure I understand.
I am your mother.
I don't know what you mean by I am your mother.
I am your father.
Something.
I am your father.
Together, we can rule the galaxy as father and intelligent assistant.
How many times? I'm your father.